Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today I'll review this unique M1 Smartband which has a built-in Bluetooth 5.0 wireless earbuds. So let's get started. If you are someone new to our channel, please consider subscribing to our channel as we do regular videos for various smartwatches and smartphones, tech tutorials, and here is where I will review some crazy bizarre tech like this one. I have a playlist full of crazy techs. Make sure to check it out and you will not regret it. Okay, so I have this awesome M1 Smartband. I got it from Amazon for 80 Canadian dollar. The price may vary depending on the seller, location, and any deals. This is not a sponsored review, it is my unbiased opinion. If you like this band and you want to get one for yourself, make sure to check out the links in the description of this video for awesome deals. Okay, it came in a box like this one. Nothing special with unboxing. At the back of the box, it says few specs like the screen size is 0.96 inch, standby time is a whopping 15 days, use time of earbud is 2.5 hour maximum, bracelet battery size is 110 mAh, and the earbud battery size is just 28 mAh, which will make sense when you see the earbuds as they are really tiny. The best part about the earbuds is that they have the latest Bluetooth 5.0, which is energy efficient and has more robust connection. This smartband is compatible with iOS 7.0 or above and Android 4.4 or above. For this video, I'll be pairing it up with my Samsung S10 smartphone. Okay, inside the box you will find the smart bracelet, which is also a charging and a storage box for these tiny earbuds. Further down in the box you will find the manual, which is thank goodness in English. You will not find the PDF of this manual anywhere except in the description of this video at this point, so be sure to check it out if you need to. Okay, there is a TPU silicone band which holds the smart tracker and it feels quite sturdy and durable. There is also a magnetic USB charger and surprisingly it is not that bulky. They have provided 2 additional ear tips and a screen protector, which is awesome. There is a screen protector already on the bracelet as you can see here, and I will recommend to have one on because there ain't any Gorilla Glass over here, and due to the curved glossy design it's relatively easy to scratch the screen. Okay, so unboxing being done, let me show you how to put the tracker on the band as I find it's not that easy. So first you want to align the tracker's hinge to the border cutout on the band, as there are 2 cutouts on the band as you can see here. So once you have the correct orientation of the tracker with the band, you want to fit this ridge on the band inside the groove provided on the tracker. Now the easiest way to do it is slide any one side in first and then push the other side until you feel a snap. Make sure you are able to open and close the lid of the tracker once in place. Now I really like the design of the magnetic charger for 2 reasons. Number 1, you don't have to take the band off to charge the tracker, and number 2, you can't go wrong putting the charger on, as if you see the charging head has a protrusion which needs to be lined up with the respective hole on the tracker. And the magnets are strong enough to snap itself once they are relatively close, and it's strong enough that you can flinch the watch holding the cable. Now let's talk about the setup. There are 2 important things I want you to caution you is that both the tracker and the earbud will connect separately to your phone, and it's really important to connect the tracker from the mobile app and not from the Bluetooth setting. They even have cautioned it in the manual somewhere. Now, you can download the mobile app from the Apple or Google Play Store, which has a funny name called KakaFit. Once installed, open the app. Inside the app, on the top left corner, you'll find options where you'll find device. And this is where you have to connect the tracker. Don't connect it from the Bluetooth setting. The tracker name will be AMG Kang, and you can see it's paired already. If you want to pair the tracker to another mobile device, you have to unbound it from here first. Anyway, since we are in the app, let's briefly review the app quickly. The app is basic and nothing fancy. You will see the option to sync the tracker on the top right. On the main dashboard, you will see steps, sleep, heart rate, and blood pressure. Here is where you will find all your fitness data. Now, on the top left, you will find options like profile, where make sure to enter your accurate data like age, height, weight, and here is where you can set your activity and sleep goal as well as change units. We have already talked about the devices. Then comes the notification, and make sure to enable everything if you want all your notification to be pushed on the tracker. Next is a cool feature called Shake for Selfie, and I really like it. So clicking it will open a camera on this particular app, and then you have to shake the tracker to activate a by default 3-second timer to click a picture. Next is the smart alarm. I will not trust this alarm as it clearly says that the alarm will work only if connected. So if for any reason the watch gets disconnected at night from the mobile device, good luck, you will be late for your work. Next up is the Find Band, which is a cool one as it will vibrate the band if it's in the Bluetooth range of the phone. I wish that the band can find the phone, but sadly that is not an option over here. In terms of feature, there is an activity reminder at 60 minutes and wrist raise feature. Both these features are quite handy. There is also a menstrual period tracker, obviously for ladies, weather, which is useless as it will not be pushed on the tracker. Then there are options like band display setting and firmware upgrade, which are not supported for this particular band. In the add account section, currently there is only VRun, which I don't use it, but I wish there were options like Google Fit, Starva, etc. And lastly, the privacy agreement and the version. So that's it with the Kaka Fit app. I haven't tested out the fitness tracking yet, but if you guys want me to, please comment down below and I'll do it depending on your response. But right off the back, I can say that the blood pressure monitor is a gimmick as it's not FDA approved, and I will not recommend you guys to use it. Now let's talk about the earbuds. The pairing process is identical to any regular Bluetooth earbud. You go in the Bluetooth settings, you'll find the M1 when the earbuds are in pairing mode, and once connected, the LED flashing light on the buds will stop flashing. As you can see, these earbuds are a separate Bluetooth connection on top of the smart tracker. So the smart tracker basically works as a charging and a storage box for the earbuds. In terms of sound quality, I can say it's awesome, it's stereo, and even the microphone for the audio call is great. I have done a review video of this Apple AirPod like wireless earbuds, linked up here, and it's garbage in comparison to this smart tracker's earbud. The bass is crisp and there are no unwanted trebles or high-pitched sounds even at the maximum volume. The sound quality of these earbuds is comparable to the King U braided wired headset, for which I have done a separate video, again linked up here in case if you guys want to check it out once you're done watching this one. So the only problem I find with this earbud is that they are tiny and they don't go deep into the ear canal, so chances are, depending on your ear size, they may not fit well and may fall off while running. Well, if that's the case, don't worry, you can get this inexpensive ear hooks like this one. I have linked few in the description of this video in case if you guys have to get it. But it makes sense why they have to make these so tiny, so that it can fit in the case without adding bulk to it. And that's why these buds only have a 28 mAh battery size, and it's good about 2 hours for me. The earbuds have a microphone right here, and the letter on each bud is a tactile button, so you can double tap on it to play or pause a track and answer or decline a call. You can long press on it to turn it off and on, and surprisingly it's precise on detecting taps. So overall, I will say that the earbuds themselves are awesome and I can recommend them, but don't compare it with the top of the line Samsung buds or Apple AirPods, obviously, for the price you pay. Now let's talk about the Smartband itself. This is how it looks on my hand from the side and the front view, and to me it doesn't look that aesthetically appealing. but it will grab attention and you will get a conversation started with just having it on your wrist for sure. It certainly is bulky. It's even bulkier than the Huawei Watch GT2 46mm, but it all makes sense as it houses the two earbuds. The opening and the closing click of the screen is super sturdy and quite satisfying. Let me show it to you guys. So, inside the tracker you'll find two sockets for the earbuds with a mirror under the screen, and it's quite handy. I would say at least a better use of the space in my opinion. Now each earbud has two charging contact pins which you have to align with the respective contact points in this socket, and once you close the lid the earbuds starts charging, and I'm surprised they fit quite well in the tracker and does not rattle at all. The lid is securely closed shut, so there ain't any chances of losing the earbuds once they are inside the case. Now there is only one tactile button which is quite noticeable, and you can touch and hold it for about 5 seconds to turn it on and off, and just tap once to toggle between various options. The main time screen shows date, day, battery level and Bluetooth connection icon. Next is the steps, distance, calories, heart rate monitoring, blood pressure, battery level indicator, MAC address and notifications, where you will not be able to interact with the notification and you can only see few details. You can't even read through the entire notification. So my final say about this Smartband is that it's an ingenious way to include earbuds with the smart fitness tracking options. I can even take an audio call right from the tracker, as you will get a call notification on the tracker and you can just take the earbuds out of the tracker and pop them in your ear and start talking. Same implies for music playback as well. You cannot control the volume nor can you change the track forward or backward, but it does the job quite well. In terms of fitness tracking, there aren't any workout options, but it does track your heart rate about right. Let me show it to you against the pulse oximeter. And it shows notifications as well. The major drawback or the negative points in my opinion are: A, it does not have Find My Phone feature, which I guess they can add in the future updates. B, you cannot change the time format from 24 hours to 12 hours. I have tried all the possible way, but I wasn't able to find it. If you guys know it, please comment down below. And C, the earbuds may not fit perfectly in the ear canal for some of you, but you can fix it with an ear hook. Other than that, just for about 80 Canadian dollar, this is absolutely worth it, and believe me, it's not a gimmick, it actually works quite well. So that's it. I really hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, and a sub would be massively appreciated, as I'll be posting more crazy techs like this one. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.